Hello guys, I'm Ganesh and today we are going to learn how we can start learning English. I think this is a very common and a simple question but very tough to explain or answer, especially when you are learning it. If you are learning English, then this video is only for you. I'll speak in a very simple language so that you will also understand it completely. This video is based upon many academic research and experts with their knowledge about how to learn English. So I request all of you to watch this video till the end. My teaching is based upon four fundamental or basic things, and those are listening, reading, watching English and increasing your vocabulary or words knowledge. Do you know how baby learns to speak? First, it listens to people around it a lot. It observes them closely as to how they are speaking with each other. Then it tries to speak one or two words in a period of time. Sometimes it struggles to speak even a single word for a long time, but eventually baby overcomes all the obstacles and speak. Will you show me a single person who doesn't know how to speak? Forget about English. I am here discussing about our mother tongue, which may be Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati and so on. Therefore, English is also a mother tongue to somebody else, and he or she would have done the same thing in order to speak English. So I request all of you not to panic. Remove all your fear from your mind. We are going to take these baby steps to learn English naturally, and I assure you that this is the most authentic and reliable way to learn English or any language in the world. The first and foremost thing to learn English is to listen to English as much as possible. We all know that baby first listens to people, but it listens to them unlimited times and then it speaks. So we are going to take these basic steps. We are going to do the same thing over here in order to improve your listening skills, as it is a prime requirement to learn English. You can use YouTube as your best guide in this respect, as there are many audiobooks available on YouTube. You can listen to them as and when you want to. Also, there are lots of English shows, movies, English news channels. You can watch these things and improve your listening skills. While listening to audiobooks on YouTube, you can speed up the video speed by using playback speed option available on screen. By doing this, you will definitely save enormous amount of time which can be used to do other activities. Listen to a single video at least 10 to 15 times till it just fits in your memory. Immerse yourself into this entire process, and because, dear friend, there is no shortcut. Make this thing your daily routine. Second important thing is to improve your reading skills. If you want to improve your reading skills, you have to make a habit to read something on daily basis, as it will train your speech organs like your tongue and your lips, and that will eventually lead you to master these skills. Don't go to market to buy a book to read. Now everything is available in your cell phone. You can download very exciting books on the internet and read them. You can read news articles, you can read any newspaper online on your smartphone. There are many apps available on your smartphone. At present, I am using PDF Drive, through which I download the books and read them, and I just like this application so much. So you can also try it out. Third step to improve your English is to watch English videos, but here one has to be little bit specific about videos. You should watch English conversation videos, talk shows, English interviews where multiple people are involved, and try to observe them as to how they are speaking with each other. Here again, you can use YouTube, as it is the best way to learn English. And the last thing I would suggest is to improve your words knowledge. I mean to say, you have to increase your vocabulary. You can use one simple trick which I follow personally. You can maintain a pocket diary which you can carry everywhere. All you need to do is to note down one or two words with their meanings in that diary every day. And whenever you will have time, you just open that diary and go through it. You will not have to memorize these words, because after some times these words will become part of your life. By doing this on daily basis, within a short period of time, you will develop your vocabulary immensely. Create an environment around you which will help you improve your English. What I personally do is whenever I go out for walk or for any reason, I just try to observe the happenings or the situations around me and try to explain that particular thing or activity in English. Initially, I was getting stuck somewhere while making sentences in English, but it taught me a lot. Every time I was improving, and it showed me where I should pay attention to, and always I came across something new, and that is remarkably fascinating to me. It teaches me unlimited things every day. So, today I told you about how we can start learning English. You don't have to take any massive action in order to speak English. Forget about grammar for time being and just stick to these basic tips and see what happens next. You have to listen, read, watch English stuff as much as possible. Also, do not forget to maintain your diary. One day you will definitely speak fluent English. Remember, if something is not challenging you, then it will not change you. And with this note, I am closing this video. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to like and share the video so that it will reach to a needy one. I'll meet you in the next video with another important lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.